Hi friends. Finally I received the laptop. Now, let's begin unboxing. Let's cut the box. Open it, and keep all things side. Now cut the main box. But, before that, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Hit the bell icon, so never miss any future update, and don't forget to comment. So, now, let's begin unboxing. First, we will get the laptop, then a 200-watt power brick, and connector cable. Let's unwrap. Remove all plastic cover, and get the first look. This is how the laptop looked from the front. Very narrow bezel all around the screen. Looks beautiful, especially the front Victus logo. Definitely plastic build, but feels like build to last. HP says chassis built with recycled ocean-bound plastic. Keyboard other components are made with post-consumer recycled plastic. It's not a very big laptop. This is how the laptop looks from the front. When display closed, sharp edges all around, which looks and feel very trendy. Measurement data are width 14.57 inch, depth 10.24 inch, height 0.93 inch. This is how the laptop looks from the left side. And this is how the laptop looks from the right side. Now looking from the back. Victus logo and HP signature tattoo. Looks trendy. Here's the close look of the tattoo. Ryzen sticker, RTX sticker, also pasted on the bottom of keyboard. And, you will also get MS Office Home, or student subscription free, 144 Hz. Refresh rate also mentioned. This is how the laptop looks from the back. Massive air vents, for better cooling. We will check thermals on next video. 2 bottom-sided speaker on each side. Audio by B&O, dual speakers on both sides. This is how the keyboard looks. Full-size chiclet keyboard, with white, black light. Key travel distance, touch, and feel also very decent. This is how the backlight glow at night. Decent light, but you will miss the beauty of RGB. You can only on and off the backlight by pressing the FN button and F4 button. No brightness control function is present. This is how keyboard sounds while typing. Keyboard bend when pressed is bare minimal, and nothing much to complain about. Trackpad size is very decent. Windows Precision Touch supported, left and right click are very satisfactory. That's how it sounds when pressed. 720p webcam located on middle of the top bezel, along with 2 mic and a webcam indicator. Front side, feature nothing. Left side holds a SD card reader, then 3.5mm microphone and headphone combo port, then USB Type-C port, 3.2 Gen 2, and supports DisplayPort 1.4, connected to Radeon graphics by the way. Then, 1 USB Type-A port. Supports USB 3.2 Gen 2. Then, HDMI 2.1 port. Directly connected to Nvidia graphics. Then, RJ45 port and charging connector. On back side there is toe exhaust vents, located on each side. Right side holds 2 USB 3.2 ports, and exhaust vents. Display bend is bare minimal, indicate rugged build quality, but there is screen wobble issue if you touch it by minimum amount of force. Thankfully, typing on keyboard will not affect this anyhow. Now, let's start the laptop and talk about its specification. By the way, laptop. Weight 2.46 kilograms, without power brick. First, start with display. 16.1 inches FHD, 144 Hz IPS panel. Supports 100% sRGB and 45% NTSC, 250 nits peak brightness. Now, look at the hardware specification. My version comes with Ryzen 7 5800H, up to 4.4 GHz max boost clock, 8 cores, 16 threads processor. And Nvidia RTX 3060 laptop GPU, 6GB GDDR6 VRM. An 85W max TGP. 16GB, dual-channel DDR4 3200 MHz RAM. And 512GB M.2 SSD. Upgradable up to 2 TB. Out of 2 slots, 1 is populated. Viewing angle is also very decent. 70 Wh 4-cell Li-ion polymer battery, which can run approximately 5 to 6 hours screen on time on normal uses. On networking side, it supports Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2. Now, if you open Omen Gaming Hub, here you will find lots of system information, like CPU utilization, GPU utilization, and memory utilization, also network speed. Network Booster is also available. But, except quite, default, and performance mode, nothing system tweak is supported. Fan speed only work on auto and max mode, no custom fan curve, and nothing you can manually set. This is how fan sounds like when max mode is enabled. This is how fan sounds like from sides. This is how fan sounds like from back. Now, coming to the big question, will you consider Victus 16 as your gaming system? I think definitely. Ryzen 7 5800 and RTX 3060 is no doubt deadly combination. It can play all modern games at max high settings, and Ryzen 5800 will overtake any Intel processor any day for productivity workload. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and comment.